A Manitoba senior is taking the province's public insurer to court over the fallout from failing to provide a breathalyser sample during a traffic stop. However, the woman says she simply wasn't able to muster the lung power necessary to satisfy the device. CTV's Taylor Brock is standing by with the details. Taylor, why couldn't she get the breathalyser to register?
Well, merely 77-year-old Sharon Husko says she has medical conditions which makes breathing difficult, including suspected chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and she had COVID at the time. She also smoked for 33 years and says she hasn't been able to blow up a balloon in years. Husko says she was pulled over for speeding on November 1st, and during the interaction, the officer requested a breath sample, which they are legally entitled to do. She says she tried 12 separate times but was unsuccessful. The officer then issued her a $700 ticket and impounded her vehicle for 60 days. Her license was also suspended for 90 days. Furthermore, she says MPI denied her appeal and has required her to install an ignition interlock device on her vehicle, meaning she's not sure if she'll ever be able to start her car again.
Really, it just made me feel like a liar that they don't believe a word I'm saying. And it's been terrible just sitting home, can't drive, can't go anywhere. And I live in a small little town with just a grocery store and a little restaurant and a skating rink. And I can't go for walks that often because of my allergies, and with the smoke this summer, it's been really bad.
Between the fine and other administrative fees, the cost to get her vehicle out of impound, and a responsible driver workshop, she says she's paid more than $3,000 so far and has had points deducted from her driver's safety rating scale. Her lawsuit is asking that all fines and other consequences from the incident be quashed and she receive costs as appropriate.
Taylor, what is MPI saying about all of this?
Well, merely the Crown Insurer told CTV News it couldn't speak on the specifics of individual cases for privacy reasons, but it says if a person isn't happy with the results of their appeal, they can apply for a judicial review. As for the ignition interlock device, MPI says it's required by law and not something it has discretion over. Arguments are set to begin next month. If you want to find out more about this story, we have an article up on our website. Just head to ctvnewswinnipeg.ca.